We will solve now one problem on algorithms which came in 2017. Okay, so the problem was consider the following function. Consider the following function from positive integer to real integer, that is given as 10 root n log n base 2 and 100 by n. The correct arrangement of the above function in increasing order of asymptotic complexity is number A log n base 2 100 by n 10 root n, B 100 by n 10 log n base 2 root n, C 10 100 by n root n log n base 2 n, and D 100 by n log n base 2 10 root n. Basically what you have to find, that you have to find that you have to arrange this thing according to the asymptotic complexity. Okay, that is from smaller to greater. Now let us see basically what is happening. So if you consider 10 is a constant. Okay, so it has no growth. Next 100 by n. Now if you increase the value of n, means that it is a negative growth. So negative growth when value of n is decreased. Okay, now when for n it is linear growth. Okay, now problem rise root n and versus log n, these two. Now we have to decide which one is greater. Okay, so to do this let us just square the terms, that is root n into root n, and in another log 2n into log n base 2. So this means n, and if you multiply this you will get this. So let us take, let n is equal to say 2 to the power 10. I am taking some values like this way. So if n is equal to 2 to the power 10, so this value, this n value will becomes 2 to the power 10, and what will be this value? Log of 2, it is of 2 to the power 10 into log of 2 to the power 10. Log 2 base 2 means it is basically 1. So ultimately what we will get from this equation is 10 into 10 is equal to 100. Now see this value, this is where here n is equal to 2 to the power 10, that is we are getting 2 to the power 10 in here, and here we will get 100. So obviously this value is greater. So we can say that this is greater than log n. Okay, so according to the increasing order, if we want to write, so first will come this, after that the constant term 10. Okay, then it will come obviously this one, log of n base 2 then this one, and finally n. So what is the option which matches over this? This is this one. Okay, so the answer B is the correct answer. Okay, now another question we will try to solve, that a table is given. It is also came in GATE 2017. The table is given. So P is Kruskal, corresponding it is divide and conquer. Q is quick shot. It is given that greedy. Then you have to match which one is which one. And R is Floyd Warshall. And this one is given, it is dynamic programming. Okay, so what are the options given? That option is given A, P is 2, Q is 3, and R is 1. This is one option. Option B is P is 3, Q is 1, R is 2. Now C, P is 2, Q is 1, R is 3. And D, P is 1, Q is 2, and R is 3. So now Kruskal is greedy method, okay, and quick shot is nothing but divide and conquer, and Floyd Warshall is a dynamic programming. So P2 Q1 R3, P2 Q1 P2 Q1 R P2 Q1 R3. So C, so this one is correct answer. Okay. Okay, after this we will solve another question. Now this is from the recursive function. So let us see, it is a very important question, okay, and some typical question. So let us try to solve this one. Okay, so let us try to solve it. Okay, so it is came in 2016. Given that a given diagram shows the flow chart for a recursive function a of n. Assume that all statement except recursive calls have order of 1 time complexity. Okay, if the worst case time complexity of this function is order of n to the power alpha, okay, order of n to the power alpha, this is not infinity but alpha, then the least possible value up to 2 decimal position of alpha is, you have to find it. Okay, now flow chart is given. Flow chart is given like this way. Start A, it is n by 2. Then from here two branches are made, a of n by 2 and return. Okay, and from there a n by 2 again, a n by 2, next condition return. Okay, from here a n by 2, then again condition return. Then here again n by 2 of a and return. Okay, so this is given. So now let us see what is happening over here. Basically it is given like this: start, then recursive a of n by 2, then you have there one condition is given. If it is true, then you go over here. If it is false, then follow this path, n by 2, n by 2. Again there is two condition. If it is false, then return. If it is true, then go over here. And if it is, again a condition is given. If it is false, then return. If it is true, then go over here. Okay, so now let us see basically what is the path length over here to come over here. So it is 1. Okay, and we have to check. So it is 1 over here. Next this is, if you go over here, it is 2, this 3. Okay, and this one is 4, and the longest path it is 5. So this is the longest path, 5. Okay, and next 5, and so this one. Okay, so we can say that a of n equal to longest path, you can say that it is 5a by n by 2, because longest path is 5. And since it is given that except recursive calls have order of 1 time, assume all this other statements, so we have to add this, so order of 1. Okay, so this is the corresponding recurrence relation. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to solve this with the help of the Master's theorem. Okay, so solving by Master's theorem, we get, okay, a equal to 5, b equal to 2, fn is equal to order of 1, that is n to the power 0 equal to 1. So n log b, a base b, so you know the value of a and b, so it is log this one, and it comes to, and it is basically case 1 of Master's theorem. Okay, now this value log of, that is log of 2 base, it is nearly equal to 2.32. okay, so what will be the time complexity? It is order of n to the power 2.32. okay, so this one alpha is over obviously 2.32, and it says up to 2 decimal points, so we will see this 2.32 up to 2 decimal points. So this is a particular typical type of problem came in the complexity. You have to first identify this, okay, path length, and after calculating the path length, applying the Master's theorem, you have to calculate the complexity. Okay, so this is all about algorithms We will discuss more problems in next videos. Okay, thank you.